take rocks, weirdo!
Oh, am I in this frame?
Am I moving?
Blush, you suck. You do realize if you get your hand in the frame, we have to redo it. Talk about, aren't you? Me and my child are gonna.
What was that? Hi. Wait, I have an idea.
Would you like me to get it?
I'm struggling right now. Wow. I got it.
Are you recording this? Hey guys, look, I found a friend. I didn't drop that. Go get it there.
Did you just call me
Harry?
Yeah, I'm so bad at calling people names. It's like, this isn't my fault. I was born this way.
Just calling you. Go
Walk
get it.
this way. Come on, talk this way.
Child. Are you filming these?
Yeah.
That was easy.
So. Well, that was pretty anticlimactic.
Yeah, it really was.
I do food.
You have the nose for it. You did not just go.
I'm gonna leave again.
No, Blush.
Flip up a thunderstorm to the
If we whip up a thunderstorm, maybe I can go home.
Okay. So we kind of took Shree's phone. This is like the aftermath. I had to clean that up by myself. There's still pink there. And then like bit.
I'm playing Among Us. Go away.
Okay.
Make it so it's like chest up. Okay. Oh, I need the sword. Harry, can you give me the sword? Sword.
Nope.
I think that's copyright infringement. I think that was copyright infringement. Oh my gosh.
Just whatever you. No, just throw it.
No, I'll start with the name.
Yeah, okay.
Right here? Is this vinegar?
Well, we're not getting that.
Go.
It's just salt.
Wait.
Sydney, what are your thoughts on our film so far?
I think it's going to be very interesting.
Harry?
I think it's gonna be great.
Balaj?
Huh?
Shree, what are your thoughts?
I think this is the movie that's gonna make us stars.
Fantastic.
Trailer and not for the end of the movie.
Balaj, I need you to strike a Thor pose.
Okay, ready?
Strike a Thor pose.
We're gonna go like. You know what I'm saying? Leave for a third time.
Oh, can
Are you a coward, Balaj?
Wait, can you